Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video we're gonna be creating an eye makeup look. This eye makeup look using a brand new Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. This actually costs only £4. I mean, only £4? What? I, by the way, seen this in the shop by total accident. I wasn't planning to get it or anything, but you know, things happen while you're wandering in the shop. So I posted on my Instagram stories that I got this and it cost only £4 and you guys requested for a video, so here it is. It caught my eye in the shop because of these two colors, because if you don't know yet, yellow and like orangey copper color is a season colors for this spring and summer. So here you go with the swatches, look at that. Super pigmented. I use this today, boy, guys. And then you get two very shimmery colors and this white one, which I thought at first that is matte, but when swatching, I'm gonna show you guys, it goes to holographic color, so it kind of reflects the light and goes a bit pinkish. And look at this, you see, you know what I mean? So I use today this for my inner eye corners. And then another two shimmeries, you get like a green and then kind of like a brown or a dark, it's like a bronzy color. Here you go. So the green one and then a kind of bronzy color. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. Very, very pigmented, by the way. Whole palette is super pigmented. And as you can see, this one is a little bit wet because I actually use this as my eyeliner today. So I think I'm gonna stop talking because this palette is super amazing for only £4. So I think without any further ado, we should just jump into the actual tutorial and see how I created this super easy eye makeup look. I'm telling you, this took me like 5 minutes to create. Nothing complicated. So I think we should just watch it. So I'm gonna start from priming my eyelids. I'm gonna use a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And gonna set this up with NYX HD setting powder. Alright, let's jump into this beautiful palette. So I think I probably gonna concentrate on these two colors. So we're gonna start from our transition color. So I'm gonna use this one to begin. Oh my god, this is so pigmented, look a tiny bit. So transition color, I mean, I'm gonna go higher than my crease would be, as my eyes are like super hooded. If my eyes are open, I can actually see the color. So I always tend to do it with my eyes wide open. So I'm taking a smaller denser brush. This one is a smudge brush by Real Techniques. And I'm gonna take this warm brown color and gonna go on the same spot we just added, just more like a line. So I'm taking back the same brush I used before and I'm gonna blend the color slightly. Okay, that will do. So next thing I'm doing, I'm coming back to the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm just gonna clean these edges for a bit of a cut crease. So I have my eyes open when I do that, as you see, so I know where my crease is, so I can do it slightly bit higher. So I'm gonna quickly set it once again with powder. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'll take this beautiful yellow color. I'm obsessed with yellow color. And I'm gonna go all over my mobile lid where we applied the concealer. So as you can see, I have a little bit of a fallout in here, but it's fine because I still don't have my foundation on. So I'm gonna clean off easy later. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'll take this beautiful orange color and I'm gonna go on the outer corners. And eyes are nearly done, so for our wings, I think I'm just gonna go with the same palette and use this dark green color. Taking small dense eyeliner brush, and I spray it with the Urban Decay Slick. So for the lower lash line, what color shall we take? I kind of want to keep this orangey look and want to go with this orange in here. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm taking the small dense brush and go on the lower lash line. And then for the inner eye corner, I'm gonna take this white shade. And the last thing to do is to put some mascara on and wig down. So I'm gonna curl my lashes first. As always, I like to heat up my eyelash curler so lashes keeps curled longer. And for my mascara today, I'm gonna go with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And the eyes are done. I haven't filmed, but I added a little bit of this eyeliner, this shade with a wet brush on the outer corners of my lower lash line. Just a little bit to blend in with the liner. And that's it. Eyes are done. So the next thing we got to do is to apply foundation, fix the face, because my rosacea is going crazy. And if you wish, that's optional obviously, you can add falsies. I'm perfectly fine with mascara on, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Apply my foundation and I'll get back to you. So what you guys think of this eye makeup look? Honestly, it took me like 5 minutes to create. Super easy, as you see. Colors are super pigmented. I couldn't personally recommend this palette more. £4, go get yourself a palette like this. You have nothing to lose. And pigmentation is insane, guys. If you're wondering what I have on my lips, by the way, I have a NYX Laundry in Seduction. And on top I have Huda Beauty Strobe in Angelic. And yeah, I really hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching it. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of it. And yeah, I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao.